This news I'm bringing to you today is heavy, emotional, and truly heartbreaking. And this is because one of YouTuber's most fearless storytellers, Brandon Buckingham, a man who travels the world to show us real life, real struggles, and real human stories, like things that are happening around the world that nobody is telling you that you need to know. Now, he used to do all those things very well, and now he is fighting for his own life. What started like a small health challenge or a small health scare has turned into a shocking medical emergency that nobody saw it coming. So his heart is failing, his organs are shutting down, and he is sending messages for support from the ICU that have shaken the entire online community. And this is the most serious update that he has ever shared online about himself. So get to understand the full story of what happened and then push in your support to, keep him alive.
Today, we have a serious and emotional update about YouTuber Brandon Buckingham. Many people know him for his documentary style videos, his street interviews, and his fearless way of diving into difficult topics. But right now, he is facing the biggest fight of his life. He has been hospitalized, and the updates he shared on his social media have shocked fans around the world. Brandon first raised alarm when he posted from the ICU. In his own words, he wrote, "In the ICU, my heart is failing, my lungs are failing, my liver and kidneys are failing. Things are not looking good, my friends. I love you guys." That message instantly sent worry across the entire online community. Before that, he had already shared another update saying, "Doctor believes I have tuberculosis, septic pneumonia, and/or liver failure. Pray for me, guys." At that moment, many people hoped he would recover quickly. For a brief moment, things appeared to improve. Brandon shared, "Thank you to everyone who has been praying for me. I sincerely appreciate it. I'm out of the hospital for now, and my condition seems to have stabilized. God willing, in a few weeks, I will be able to start improving." But that moment of hope did not last long. His condition suddenly took a more serious turn, leading to a new wave of fear and concern. In his GoFundMe message, he explained what was really happening inside his body. He wrote, "The bad news is my heart is still failing, and my lungs, liver, and kidneys are all still in very rough shape. Doctors told him that only 15 to 20% of his heart is working." He went on to say, "I don't know what's going to happen to me, but I know for sure if I do survive, it will be a very long recovery, and I will not be able to provide for my family for at least several months if things go well." He revealed that he already has over $100,000 in medical debt and may need heart medication for the rest of his life. In a video message to his followers, Brandon spoke directly and emotionally. He said, "I almost died and I need your help. I don't like to ask you guys for anything, but I am in a dire situation and this is my only option." He explained that he created a GoFundMe to support his wife and their 11-month-old baby while he battles this health crisis. He ended by saying, "God bless everyone who has sent kind messages. I really appreciate it." What makes this situation even heavier is that Brandon has been open about the mental struggles he has faced this year. In September, after the loss of his grandmother, he shared a heartbreaking post. He wrote, "I haven't been in a good place for a bit. I am struggling with my mental health. I just got the call my grandma passed away this morning. I feel I have more people waiting for me in heaven than here on earth. I think God has a plan for me that I don't understand." And he ended that message with, "I love you, Grandma. Say hi to Kyle for me. I wish I could die with you." It was clear then that he was carrying a heavy emotional weight long before the health problems began. Brandon is someone who travels a lot for his work. His last major video was filmed in Lebanon, where he documented the lives of homeless children. He often pushes himself physically and mentally to bring attention to real-life stories happening around the world. Many fans believe the intense travel, the pressure, and the nonstop work may have played a role in his sudden collapse. Doctors are still investigating the exact cause, but what is certain is that his condition is serious and requires round-the-clock care. Right now, Brandon remains in the ICU. Doctors are monitoring him closely, trying to stabilize his organs and understand why everything shut down so quickly. Fans from around the world have come together to pray, send messages, and donate to help him and his family. His GoFundMe is filled with supportive comments from people who appreciate the impact he has had on their lives. This moment reminds us how fast life can change. One day you are working, filming, traveling, doing what you love, and the next day you are fighting for your life. It also reminds us how powerful community can be. Even in tough moments, people come together. People show love. People show support. As we wait for more updates, the hope is that Brandon's condition improves, that his heart becomes stronger, that his organs begin to recover, that he gets the time and treatment he needs, and that he can eventually return to his family, especially his young child, who needs him more than anything. Our thoughts and prayers are with Brandon Buckingham and his loved ones during this difficult time. If you want to support him, check the link he shared on his official pages. Even a simple prayer or encouraging comment can go a long way. We wish him healing, strength, and a full recovery.